This is ANASTASIA, and I'm doing this video today to show you how what you're paying and how fully ready to rent houses look here. We have two houses here. This one is for sale for the price above our price range, and this small beauty I'm gonna show to you right now. I'm showing you street. It's pretty quiet neighborhood. It's close to the main street, and I have a surprise for you. You probably remember house. Not sure if you can see right there in the back, this white and blue in the very back of the house. This is the property I just showed to you recently. It's duplex that we rented for $1,300. So it's very convenient for me as a manager to manage them because this property is next to it. And this house, it's showing 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. They did pretty nice job, you know, for curb appearance, like it look really nice from outside. It also has a AC unit, which is not really common in these old houses. And it has a nice fenced backyard. And it has a scary cat sitting right there. This is a back door, and it also has a long driveway. It's usually good for tenants to have a driveway. For you as a landlord, you need to fill up all this, you know, cracks, so it's not a street hazard. But let's go inside, and then I'm gonna let you decide, you know, if this is a good buy or not. Everything is done outside, no peeling paint, no nothing. Probably you just need to paint this one. Coming in, it has a living room with a fireplace. They put new flooring, and for Section 8 you need to make sure that windows are new and in operational condition, that you can, not new, but they can open and close. It's pretty neat property. There is some things that still need to be done, you know, like, I don't know, these touch-ups. And somehow they did not cover any electrical. It's just opened everywhere. But I turn on AC to see how it's working. It's pretty cool right now in the house. This is 1 bedroom. And we have a living room right there. And this bedroom has plenty of storage, which is beneficial too. Okay, and this they count as a 2nd bedroom, which I'm not sure if I can sell it to the tenants as a 2nd bedroom. And downstairs we have a basement, and we got a light. So let's go downstairs and see how basement look. So far so good, because there is no smell, but they have some material here that need to be out. And they have, I'm not sure what this room is, but it's wood and everything is pretty nice and clean, but also some cleaning need to be done. And not sure though what this leading you to. So that was the basement. And it also has storage unit here. And here is kitchen. I think that was an addition. Some designer look. And it has strange sink which I was told by my agent is very popular here. Also plenty of storage. It has stove, small fridge, which is working. And let's go to the bathroom. Also step down to the bathroom. Everything nice, clean. What do you think? And of course, I mean, this is the thing that I love about Cincinnati. You did such a great job. What about painting this piece? So everything is nice. Okay, guys, that's all for this house. What do you think? Oh, price. Price for this property, it's $45,000. But I'm sure you can put tenants here very fast. So, what do you think? Is it a good buy or not really? Thank you for watching. If you did not subscribe, I would really appreciate if you do. It's really helping me to continue doing this video. And if you like the video, like it. If you don't, unlike it. If you have any questions, please leave them comments below. Thank you guys. Have a great day.